trade all of your Champions League winning medals for the World Cup trophy? Okay, Cristiano, all I want to answer is yes or no. Then I'll always look to Don to clarify if you're telling the truth or lying. Okay? Just one word.
I have to say the truth or I can lie?
We want you to tell the truth. Here we go. Is your name Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro?
Yes.
It's a good start. Okay. Are you nervous?
Right now? No.
Wow. Is 7 your favorite number?
Yes.
Are you trying to fool the machine?
No.
Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Have you ever Googled yourself?
So many times.
Do you hold the all-time record for the most goals in history?
Yes.
How many?
835
Love that.
with video.
Oh, with
With video, official.
Okay. Do you ever eat fast food?
So many times.
Will Portugal win the World Cup?
Yes. Un pesimista.
This is a key one. I think most players do, but do you watch your goals back?
Yes.
Is your bicycle kick your best ever goal?
Yes.
What do you reckon was your best ever goal? If that says no, what else do you think comes close to that?
For me, it's the best goal.
For you, it is.
You can say the most difficult.
Yeah.
Most beautiful.
Yeah.
Depends. So many things.
Is the Premier League the hardest league in the world?
Yes.
Do you snore?
Probably no, but sometimes maybe yes.
I need one word.
No.
Is Sir Alex Ferguson the best manager in history?
It's unfair to say the best. What is the best? Coaches that I was with, that we win so many trophies, we have to consider they are the best too. So to mention one, I think is not fair.
That's a great answer. That's an honest answer. Do you own any NFTs?
Yes.
Are you going to make more NFTs in the future?
Yes.
Will you still be playing at the highest level in your 40s? Just one word.
Yes.
Will anyone ever beat your goal scoring record in your lifetime?
No.
It's a true answer. Are you the greatest goal scorer of all time?
Yes.
This is a big one. Would you trade all of your Champions League winning medals for the World Cup trophy?
Ve bu sorumuz yine cevapsız kaldı.